How to switch back camera in Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to switch the back camera in Google Meet, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Meet on your device. Once you're on the Google Meet, you need to tap on New over here. Then you need to create a link or you need to join a meeting. Once you're in, you will notice that your camera is facing you, which is called a selfie mode. To switch to the back camera, look at the top right corner of your screen and you will see a camera icon right besides the call icon. Just tap on that camera icon and that's it, your camera is now switched to the back camera. If you want to switch back to selfie mode, simply tap on the same camera icon again, it's that easy. And if you need to turn off your video camera, just tap on the video icon at the bottom of your screen right next to the red call button. This will turn off your video. And that's it, you now know how to easily switch to the back camera in Google Meet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.